fishing, but the wind was cold. No gas in the boat and the bait was old. So I sit in my chair with my trusty iPad, turned on YouTube, and I was oh so glad. My teeth didn't chatter and my feet won't froze. I was warm from my head clean down to my toes. I was fishing from my chair as happy as could be, and old Jack Frost wasn't torturing me. Coffee by my side, biscuits in the oven. This kind of fishing is my kind of loving. But one thing I'm learning with every click, these old YouTube boys can't fish worth a lick. My hands stay clean, no rigs in the tree. This YouTube fishing is the life for me. It was all going good till my wife came in, and the way she was yelling was nothing short of sin. I saw nothing wrong with the crumbs on the floor, and jelly on the carpet wasn't hard to ignore. It wasn't hard to tell she was mad as could be. She took the vacuum out the closet and threw it at me. Turned off the oven, threw my biscuits away, threw my bacon in the trash. Oh, what a day! It didn't take long to make my decision. Tomorrow may be 20 below, but I'm going fishing. No, it didn't take long to make my decision. Tomorrow may be 20